are gorgeous. Welcome to today's video. Whether you're a long-time glasses wearer looking to elevate your style, or someone new to the world of frames and ready to make the perfect choice, you're in the right place. Glasses aren't just about better vision. They're an extension of your personality and a powerful style statement. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to looking absolutely stunning in glasses. From picking frames that flatter your unique face shape, width, and eye position, to enhancing your natural glow and embracing your features. This video is your ultimate guide to slaying with confidence. By the end of this, you won't just know what works for you, you'll own it. It's time to sparkle and shine like the absolute star you are. Glasses for the width and length of your face. Beyond shape, the proportions of your face plays a huge role in finding glasses that fit well and complements your features. Narrow face. People with narrow face tend to have smaller width at the cheekbones and jawline, making the face appear slimmer and more elongated, with features that are closer together. Choose frames that fit like a glove. Go for styles with narrower bridges and shorter temples so your glasses complement, not overwhelm. Rectangular or oval frames are your go-to style. They'll add just the right touch of definition without overpowering your natural look. Wide face. A wide face has broader features, including wide cheekbones, a broad jawline, and a wide forehead. If your face is wide, balance is key when picking glasses. Larger, wider frames are your go-to because they match your proportions perfectly. Angular or geometric shapes can take it to the next level by breaking up the width and creating the chef's kiss symmetry. Long faces. Long faces are like a vertical canvas, longer from forehead to chin, with a more elongated look. To create balance, go for frames that add width and break up that vertical stretch. Oversized, tall frames are your best friend, and round or square shapes can soften the overall vibe. But here's the deal. Avoid narrow frames like the plague. They'll make your face look even longer. Instead, pick wider frames that keep everything looking proportional and polished. Short faces. If your face has a compact, rounded appearance with features that are close together, your goal is to elongate and add some height. Horizontal frames are a game changer here. They create the illusion of more length while keeping things light and airy. Rimless or thin frames, perfect for that open, flattering look. Avoid oversized or deep frames as a short face girly. Tip number 2, accentuate your facial features. Glasses can highlight or downplay specific features depending on their design and placement. Your eyes should sit at the center of each lens for the best balance. If you have close-set eyes, go for glasses with a wider bridge to create the illusion of space between the eyes. But if you have wide-set eyes, opt for a narrower bridge to bring the eyes closer together visually. The top of your glasses should align with or sit slightly below your eyebrows to maintain natural expressions. If you have thicker brows, you can choose glasses with thinner rims to avoid competition for attention. To emphasize your cheekbones, upswept frames like cat eyes lift the face and emphasize cheekbones. You can decide to accentuate your strong jawlines by wearing sharper frames, or go in contrast by wearing round or curved frames to soften the sharpness of your jawline. Tip number 3, choose your glasses based on your face shape. Round face. If you have a round face, when choosing glasses, your goal is to add structure and elongate your face. Best frames for a round face are rectangular or square frames. They add definition and contrast to your face. 2. Cat-eye frames. It lifts the face and add angles. 3. Geometric frames. They create balance and visual interest on the face. Avoid round frames and small lenses as a round face girly. They emphasize roundness and make your face look fuller. Oval face. Oval faces are well-balanced and can suit most styles, but some frames enhance their features even more. Best glasses for oval face girlies are bold frames. Oversized or angular styles add drama to the face. Aviators flatters by following the natural face lines. Square and rectangular glasses adds definition and contrast to the face. Round frames highlights the symmetry of the face beautifully. If you have an oval face, Avoid frames that are too tall, as they can throw off your proportions. Square face. When it comes to square face, the goal is to soften sharp angles and create balance. For a square face, the go-to frames are round or oval frames. This adds contrast and flow to the face too. Semi-rimless frames. This draws attention upward, softening the jawline. Free brow line glasses. This balances the broad jaw and forehead. 4. Soft cat eye. This introduces gentle curves to your face for a graceful touch. Avoid boxy or angular frames and small, narrow frames. They exaggerate sharpness and emphasize width and strong lines. Heart-shaped face. When it comes to the heart face, the goal is to balance the broad forehead and the narrow chin. Glasses for heart-shaped face. 1. Brow line glasses. These draws attention downward, softening the forehead. 2. Round or oval frames. These adds curves and contrast to the face. 3. Cat eye frames. These lifts the face and emphasize the cheekbones. 4. Colorful or decorative frames. These accentuates the lower face for balance. Tip number 4. The size of your frame should be proportionate for your face. Beyond general face dimensions, the exact size of the frame is critical for comfort and aesthetics. Frame width. The width of the frame should match the width of your face at the temples. Frames that are too wide or narrow can look awkward. Bridge fit. The bridge of the glasses should rest snugly on your nose, complementing its size and shape. Wide bridges suit larger noses, while narrow bridges suit smaller noses. Lens height. Taller lenses suit longer faces, while shorter lenses fit compact or narrow faces better. Frame size. Oversized frames on a small face or undersized frames on a large face can look awkward. Always choose frames proportional to your face size. Tip number 5. Choose glasses that suits your skin tone. Warm skin tone. People with warm undertones typically have golden, yellow, or peachy hues in their skin. This skin tone usually tans easily and may have a sun-kissed appearance. Common frame colors that suit warm skin tones are earthy shades like brown, tortoiseshell, gold, and olive. Cool skin tone. Individuals with cool undertones usually have pink, red, or blue hues in their skin. This skin tone might burn more easily in the sun and tends to have a more porcelain or rosy undertone. Frames in colors like silver, black, blue, and jewel tones like sapphire or emerald complement cool skin tones well. Neutral skin tone. People with neutral skin tones have a balance of warm and cool undertones. Their skin may not lean strongly toward either gold or pink, allowing them to wear a wide range of colors. Frames in clear, muted tones, beige, or even metallics can suit neutral undertones perfectly. Tip number 6. Frame materials and styling. The material of your glasses also influences their overall appearance. Metal frames, sleek and minimalist, perfect for a professional or understated look. Acetate frames are bold and colorful, and are great for making a statement. Rimless glasses, they are subtle and versatile, and ideal for blending seamlessly into your style. By carefully considering these face dimensions and proportions, you can select glasses that not only fit perfectly, but also enhance your natural beauty. Thanks for watching.